Nah, she's fucking freezing, mate. What's going on? Welcome back to another video, and today we've just landed in Adelaide. So we're going to look at a car for Benny. You G'd up, mate.
Like that.
So we're going to go look at a R33 turbo manual. Hopefully it's alright, and then we'll venture 8.5 hours back to Geelong. Gonna go get a bus into the city. Train, bus, something.
Some sort of motor vehicle.
And then yeah, get a feed and get a $70 Uber out to this bloke's house. So we just rocked up to the car. There she is. Looks a little bit different to the ad, but it'll do. Maxwell's gonna take the Ferrari. And you're gonna take the
Maserati.
The Maserati. Alrighty, we are currently in Ben's new Skyline.
Yeah, we done something.
Series 296 RB25DET Skyline manual.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, right. She's got 154,000 Ks on the clock. She's got, apparently,
Allegedly.
Blitz intercooler, HKS mushroom pod filter. It's got some tasty mods on it.
Coilovers, they're a bit knocky.
Yeah, Tyne or teen coilovers. They're a little clunky, a bit stiff for street use, but it's got a GFB G-Force 2 boost controller, running about 10 or 11 pound. Goes pretty hard for what it is. What do you reckon, Maxwell?
Fucking sick, mate.
Stoked? Ben?
Fuck yeah. Sick.
First Jap car.
Yes.
Skyline life.
You!
Here we go.
RB, baby. Fronts were fine, I don't remember checking the backs. Give us some.
Oh, there's some spin. Fucking wheel spins at the top of second.
Gotta love the sound of an RB when it's really digging. Even with that quiet-ish exhaust, that note. Woo. Woo. Here she is. She's gorgeous. She's got 33 GDR rims, GDR spoiler, GDR seats. It's missing a couple little trim pieces. Missing that one. That one's there, but it doesn't work. Gotta love, I'm fairly certain they're GDR wheels anyway. Yeah. Love the GDR spoiler. 3-inch stainless system. One hot dog and a muffler. Ew. She's gorgeous. She needs a wash and a bit of love, but she's definitely pretty. CD that come with the car. Tune. Just pulled over for a bit of a pit stop. Stretch the legs.
Stretch the fucking legs.
Stretch the skinny asses out.
Yep.
Oh,
Sore.
oh, my back and my ass. So far, so good, boy. Probably like 4 hours in, I think. 4 hours in. About 4 hours in. 4 hours to go or something. Via the Melbourne airport to pick up the Falcon. We drove there this morning. It's bloody cold. Clouds look cool as in the mirror. Rightio, so it's the next day. Got back here last night pretty late after a long ass drive. Very sore ass and back. But yeah, she made it back alright. No dramas. I'll throw in a couple of clips of just before of doing a few pulls up the road with Ben's mate driving. What do you reckon, mate?
Yeah, it's fucking sick. This is the first fucking manual I've driven that isn't a diesel, I think.
But yeah, that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride to go to another state and pick up this thing for Ben. And make sure you drop a comment, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. And yeah, might be seeing a bit of RB action on the channel now, and hopefully you'll be banging on me door in the near future.
Been down for my fam, don't care about nothing. People think I'm the man, shit, I ain't changed. Where were you fuckers when I needed you? Now they all scream we believe in you. Claim to be mates, they deceiving you. Now they all fake